This is going to be the 6th video at this Turlock auto swap meet, and it's going to be the last one. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this series of videos. If you have, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to go to more swap meets around this area. We have a bunch that I've never been to, so I'm really excited, if you guys like these kind of videos, to go to more. Other than that, thank you all so much for being here, and enjoy the video. It's a cool NASCAR sticker. Tasmanian Devil. I don't think it'd be worth much, but it's pretty cool.
$2 each on the sticker.
$2 each? Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll check them out. I like that Taz one, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What you got on your Fluke?
It's brand new. He said 80 bucks. I think he sold 2 yesterday for 140. What's up, Goose? Looking for an iPhone.
Fluke T5 1000. T5 1000.
Checking it all out. And left. We made a little bit on Friday.
The wheels on the bus. Did you say thank you?
I figured, I'll pack up last night. Pack was all loaded up, unloaded storage. You know, I'm also just come back out in the morning and make a couple $100 to pack up and go home. I'll be packing up back here.
You ever collect these or sell these old metal signs? Yeah.
It's been hit and miss. Sometimes they could be really good.
I know.
Like these ones would be, this would be big money because it's Felix. It's a well-known Chevy.
Yeah,
but I
yeah.
think that's a remake.
Oh,
Probably.
really? Not the real deal.
I'm not sure. Maybe they were kind of cheaply made.
Yeah.
But usually if the dealership happens to have closed years ago, they're good money. Or if it's like a well-known, like Felix Chevy was their one of the hot Chevy dealerships.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask him what he wants on that. It does look a little, maybe not original, but still pretty cool. We'll see. Yeah. How much are you? Possibly.
I'll do 40 for the pair.
40 for the pair?
35 on that one.
Do you know if it's an original?
No,
It's not?
It's like an 80s repop, but
80s repop?
yeah, if that was original, it'd be $1,000. You know?
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy. No, they're like 80s, 90s repop. I had this one polished. I have 2 of them.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, nice. Thank you.
Even on eBay, they're like 75 for that one.
75? Okay.
Give me 35 for both.
35 for both? You do 30 for both?
Well, I paid 35 for the Felix one, but
It's okay if you say no. I mean, I don't know. I don't really know much about them, to be honest with you.
yeah, I gotta at least get 33 to break even on both
33?
of them. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's...
Want to put them in the bag?
Sure. Thank you.
I bought these from a guy. I bought 11 of them. Was told that they were original, and I thought they were.
No.
And then, so really, honestly, I'm just trying to get my money back. And I kept one for myself and put up in my stuff. So
Yeah, he got you, huh?
yeah, you got me. But at least I'm getting my money back. I made a little bit back. So
Make sure that, I think that's right. Yeah. 33?
we're good. Thank you, sir.
All
Appreciate
right,
it.
cool,
man.
yeah. Appreciate you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got some decent looking boots from over here. Yeah, these are nice. These are Red Wing Picos. How much are your boots?
Oh no, those are Uncle Ed's. What is this?
Oh, this is someone's boots that he's wearing? Okay. All right, you sure you don't want to sell his boots?
No.
All right, thank you. These vintage Ferrari keychains. Okay, that's it. Wellies. Might be worth making a deal on all these. I don't know. Kind of want to open it and like really read it. Wellies made in China. Wellies keychain. Check that out. Yeah, I mean $10, $8, yeah, not bad. Let's see what he wants for all of them. How much are your Lamborghini keychains?
$1 each.
You got a deal for just the whole box?
20 bucks.
20 bucks. Do you know how many are in there? 36?
Well, it's 36 originally, but
More than 30 in there? Okay. I'll give you 20 bucks on that.
more than 30, less than 30. Or more than 20, less than 36.
Somewhere in there. It's going to be a mystery. It's all good. Yeah, I'll give you 20 bucks for it. Thank you. Nice. I mean, if they sell for 10 bucks each, it's super easy to ship. And they're all brand new, old stock. All right. Making deals. $20 for these. Yeah, I mean, I looked them up. They sell for like
Oh, they're keychains.
$10 to $18 each.
Dang.
So I don't know. Whatever. Here's a 20 on that. Thank you, sir. Let's see. I'm sure these were Tony Llamas. There was a pair of Tony Llamas here yesterday. Let me see which ones they are. Yeah, it's these. He wanted 20 yesterday, but they have a little bit of wear right here. Let me see. I'm gonna see if we'll go 10 today since they're still here. Tony Llama's a good brand, but
20 bucks a boot.
yeah.
I'll go tell them start loading.
We talked the other day.
Yeah, I was wondering.
I appreciate it.
I know yesterday they were 20, but I'm walking by again. Would you take 10 on them today?
15 are yours.
15?
You know they're worth 15.
Oh yeah, I mean they're worth.
But you got a Tony Llama?
I know they're worth more than. Yeah, I got you.
No. She buys them and gets
Yeah.
them, and it's just something for her to do on.
Yeah, messing around.
with this stuff.
Hopefully I still have 15. I was heading over to the ATM. 10,
She'll take one.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Linda,
There you go.
he beat me up on your boots, so instead of $10 a boot, you got it for $7.50 a boot.
Okay, can I take the bottles out?
Oh yeah, you can take your bottles out. It's like 5 cents
think
each,
there's-
right?
Not like we
No,
have
I
100 of those
stick
in
'em in
trash.
the-
Yeah.
You got those for $5?
What?
The boots?
No, 10, 15.
Oh,
15.
I'm
Yeah.
like,
That one. Yep.
He's just giving you a hard time.
40 bucks. I don't know either.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, you take care. These are 10 bucks.
so.
That's the price, 10?
I believe so.
Oh,
That's what I heard earlier.
are they Red Wing?
I don't know what they are.
Okay, I'll pick these up for 10.
Okay.
They've seen better days, kind
Yeah,
of.
I'm sure if you could probably put oil on them,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. I mean, someone will
oil.
still appreciate them. I can clean them up a little bit.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I have 10 bucks on me. I was heading to the ATM. Let me see.
Okay.
Yeah, let me go take out some money.
You don't have a 20 or anything? You just don't have anything?
I literally
Okay.
have 5 bucks on me.
Uh,
No one's gonna take them. I'll just leave them there. I'll be right
okay.
back.
All right.
I'm probably gonna leave my card here too.
Yeah, that's fine.
I got my buddies right
Try
there.
not to sell.
Yeah.
Now, did you buy that used or is that yours?
No, I had to buy that new. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel, so like I'm
you-
charging my batteries and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. I just go around buy stuff, and people like to watch me buy stuff. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you. You got something?
Yeah.
Nice.
I have a size too. They're just local. I never seen one like it.
Okay.
And I did a cursory look. I still couldn't find anything about it. So
Just going off a hunch, huh?
yeah, just kind of every once in a while grab something if it's a price cheap enough. That I just kind of we'll see.
Yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think? Are these too far gone?
They're pretty worn.
They're Red Wings.
Red Wings, though.
And they're vintage.
Nice.
I think I can still probably get 40, 50 out of them.
They still got some wear on the soles.
Yeah.
The worst case scenario, people can get them resold. So I mean,
Yeah. I'll give her 10 bucks. All right. Sorry, I only have 20s now if you have change.
Yep.
Cool. cool.
Do you mind if you have 2 5s or?
Oh, I don't mind at all.
Okay.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, thanks again.
Have a good day.
You too.
You guys done for the day?
No, we're still gonna walk around a little bit more.
A lot of people.
Bug a few
were you
more
here
people.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was crazy.
Oh, yesterday it was outrageous. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Enjoy.
Yeah, thanks again.
Have fun.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
Awesome.
$300 for all of it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
They're all just full of them,
These.
except for those. Nice.
But onions don't go
Those
with
are
it.
those are priceless.
How much is this one?
I think it's over there.
How much this one? Probably 15.
Nice.
What are you asking on the Bosch?
Hold on, that VW thing.
Brand new, huh?
I think so.
Nice.
Yeah, I appreciate that. So I'll go home and like, dang it. See it? There.
That's for a Jag, I think.
Yeah, I think so. The poor person that had to work on that. What would you want for it? Oh, Russ Pump.
Yeah, I think I asked him yesterday about it. He wanted like 40 bucks.
Buy $100.
Heard.
How much is your propeller today? I know I asked you yesterday, but...
I found out there are a lot more.
Huh?
Found out there are a lot more.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? This
yeah.
one's got some damage though.
I know, 60 bucks. One
Yeah.
guy said he paid 320 for one.
Oh wow. Yeah, it was,
Yeah.
I should have bought it yesterday for 40.
I know.
On service. What are you guys asking on the Snap-on?
That's 25.
25?
Yeah. I
But-
saw two nice one this morning.
Oh yeah, yeah, they're pretty cool.
That's one I left.
Yeah, I don't ever see the Snap-on ones. That's cool.
Come on, I'd take both for 5. I clean out both your heavy items, 500 bucks gone. You good? Fine.
You good right now or you good later?
I'm gonna have to go grab cash at the ATM and I'll pick them out now. I'll
Give me
come up
one
in the way.
deposit.
Yep.
It's a nice little last-minute deal.
That's the man deal, yeah.
It's really expensive stuff.
Yeah.
And then we go get the other 3.
Yeah.
The nearest
ATM, that's over there.
Over there.
Oh, over there.
Or over there.
Oh, is that the one I?
That's too close, that
pretty
one.
far.
Let me see.
That's too close right there.
Oh yeah, there's an ATM right there.
Where?
There's a little sign right there. You see the flag?
Oh, yeah, okay. I'll go grab them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stay here with your card, man. Crazy. All right. I'm gonna ask him what he wants for this. Again, it's just I think it's a motorcycle carburetor. And I looked up the brand. I couldn't find the exact one, but they sell for like over $100. So, but who knows if this one does?
I don't want to get off on that tangent, but I like pointing out the cost and Dad too, because Dad did an awesome job here. Sell a carburetor, would you? You would, you good.
What are you asking on that?
It's probably worth $5.
$5? Okay, yeah. I
What
think
do you
it's
say, Dom?
$5. Okay, yeah. How about
What are you gonna? I gotta hear your projects first.
me? Well, I'm honestly just now getting into like car parts and motorcycle parts. So I don't know. I'm just gonna show it to my buddy and ask him if I got a good deal. I feel like $5 is a good deal.
Absolutely.
How about this one?
I'm gonna say $5 a piece.
Five.
Yeah.
All three. Where's the third one? This
So-
thing right there.
So this is for one of those.
The Yamaha.
Like a TT500.
Okay. What is this one for? Do you know?
What is that, Dom?
It looks like Harley with that.
No,
It's made in Japan. I don't know.
no, it's not. It's not Harley big. It's like a
It might be.
36 millimeter. It's probably anywhere from like a 250 to a 400.
Okay.
Four stroke.
Yeah. That's cool. I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's got the choke on the side. Yeah.
So where's the third one? Is that one?
Yeah.
And that's
this
old
one.
that's old CR 125, right? Yep.
Man, that one's just like.
That's a core.
Is everything there?
No. That's a core.
I'll grab those two if you don't mind.
You can. Yeah, you can.
All right,
take
cool.
those two and-
These two are pretty much complete, right?
Yep, all there.
All right, cool. So $10.
Sure.
Appreciate it.
Sure.
You guys have a good couple days.
Yeah, we did all right.
Looks like you don't have much stuff left. That's good. All right, I don't have exact change. Sorry, man.
You got 10, Pop?
Unless there's another crazy deal for $10. I don't know.
Get into it.
What do we got? What do we got?
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
Well, good luck.
Yeah, thank you guys. Take care. Yeah, I mean, $5 a piece. I don't know.
Whether you want
I feel like that's like nothing. So, we'll see though. I don't know.
Oh, let me.
So Justin just spent $500.
$500.
Do you have everything already?
I do.
All right, so you got this thing and then something down here.
Yep. Big
Okay.
industrial motor.
Industrial motor, and then what is that?
And this is an industrial fueling system.
Okay, and then what do you think you can get for
So
the
this
two?
one, I looked it up. I comped it on eBay. It has sold comps at $800 plus $150 shipping.
Okay, nice.
And then this one should be about $600 to $700 plus
Okay,
shipping.
nice.
So I fear it should be a good return.
Yeah, that's not
for that
bad at all.
amount to put out.
Pretty cool. You have to send me the sold comps so I can throw them in the video.
Oh, I will.
Yeah, cool.
I'll send you sold comps.
All right, let's go try. Here, let me show you this real quick. I got two carburetors.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I think those are motorcycle carbs.
Yeah, he said they're motorcycle. He said that's like a 3 to 400 cc.
Yeah.
Or maybe this one was.
Nikuni.
Yeah. I paid $5 each.
Can't go wrong with that. Honestly, the one I would be able to tell you would be my stepbro Zach.
Okay.
He's the motorcycle guy.
Is he on Instagram?
I think so.
Yeah. Just send me his info and I'll hit him up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, $5 each.
Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah. Whatever.
$5, yeah, for motorcycle carbs.
And they look pretty clean too.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
All right, Justin's heading out. Thank you, man. I appreciate
Yeah, nice meeting you.
appreciate you hanging out and showing me around and teaching me some new stuff. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, no problem. Hopefully we could do it again.
Yeah, next time you're in town, just hit me up and we'll.
Well, I'd like to go out to Oakland. I ain't been to that.
Yeah.
market,
Hit me up. I'll take you out there, man. Just make sure you bring your bulletproof vest.
Yeah, right?
All right, man.
Let me find out.
All right, guys. You guys take it easy. All right, so I'm heading out now. I figured I just don't know enough about car parts to really stick around because that's pretty much all that's left here. Like all the flea market type stuff is gone. Those people are long gone, so no big deal. But yeah, overall, second day at the swap meet, I would definitely say first day, like Saturday, was much better than today. But still, we got some stuff, got a full cart, and it was worth the trip. But yeah, I want to show you this. My car, like look at this parking spot. I'm driving this rental car right here. Like I couldn't have got a better parking spot. Yesterday I had to park like a mile down, so this is pretty nice. So I'm gonna load up and get up out of here. Thank you all so much for watching, really do appreciate it, and we'll see you soon with another video.
Hit and miss. Sometimes they can be really good.
I know. Will do.
I'm not sure. Maybe they weren't kind of keeping me.
The whole box, $20. Do you know how many in there?
15.
15.
You know they're worth 50.
These are $10. That's
No.
it's made in Japan.